Mr. Vintage, and here we are with another project completion in Accurate Wind Chimes, Narsingi, Hyderabad. The owner of this flat is Mr. Naveen and Mrs. Ravali, and it was our pleasure to work for them for this project. So let's have a walk for this project. This house is actually having a contemporary theme where we have majorly used white, grey, brown shades with some pops like vertical gardening. So let's have a look of TV unit. So this TV unit is a majorly component of matte finish along with high glossy laminate. Northeast corner is the best place for having a puja ghar, and this is the northeast of this house. So actually this is a partitioning which is having vertical gardening one side, and back side of that is having a puja ghar. So here you can see we have given a designing CNC board cutting for the doors, and inside part it is internal placement for the puja units. Every family spent a very quality time while eating the delicious food in the dining space. So here we thought of making it a little bit creative and different from other areas of the house. We have done PVC fall ceiling which gives an elegant look to the house, and at the same time it is very lighter in weight. It is also called as commercial ceiling. This property unit is a mix of drawers, some doors and some profile hydraulic glass doors. This is the hydraulic glass profile doors where you can keep some very elegant looking properties and it will give you a best look. And at the same time you have some open shelves where you can keep the artifacts, some mirror cross designs which will reflect the artifacts you are keeping ahead of it, and some drawers and drawers of that. So this is entirely a dining space of this house. Let me show you master bedroom of this house. Kids bedroom now, which is another happening place of the house. So this is the way we have designed the kids bedroom, where we have used majorly blue color to give a bright look of the room. Let's move to the delicious corner of the house, which is kitchen. Kitchen is a very essential and crucial space of the house. So we prefer to give a design so that there is no compromise on the storage part along with the look. So here we are. We have given the porch which is sparkling in the nature, and we have provided the tile which is having a pattern of Murugan till the loft. This kitchen is having 5 tandem boxes with the soft closing mechanism along with a border below for a spice rack. Additional to the modular kitchen, we also have corner units where you can keep heavyweight boxes and that can have a storage as well. We have also provided the middle units and the closing for the chimney. The brand of the chimney and how we have chosen as Hindware with motion sensor, where you can just flap your hand and the chimney will be on, and similar way it will be off. The open units in the kitchen as a middle unit where you can keep some spices to show, and again you have a hydraulic door above to it for usage purpose. Also we have L-shaped loft in the kitchen for having the extra storage purpose. In the entrance of the kitchen, we have used the depth of this wall to make a storage unit which is having loft, some middle unit, small shelf for keeping some spices or storage, and the platform with a socket provision so that you can use as appliances place, and below we have some again storage. So this is the entire kitchen of the house.